Oh my god. Hello friends, long time no see. I honestly feel like I haven't filmed a haul in so long, and I'm so excited to be talking to you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you quite a few things that I've been collecting. Some stuff was sent to me, a lot of stuff was thrifted. I have a lot of small businesses in here. Other than that, I think we'll just get straight into it. Starting off with what you guys saw in the thumbnail. I've also posted a couple things about this. Everybody really loves these. I love them a lot too. I just honestly, I don't even know how to style these. If you know me, I wear white shoes probably 94.2% of the time. Like always white shoes, just because I just wear a lot of white. Like if you look at my closet also, I'd say over like 70% of it is black and white, which is really sad because I love color. I just don't know how to style it. Enough talking about it. These are my new pair of Converse. They are platform. I customized them, so they're kind of like this color block pink, and then they're also embroidered. This is so cool, and it wasn't even like an added charge. They were $90, I believe, and I think I used like some kind of coupon code, but it's so much fun to customize them. Like that alone was an experience. But on top of that, like embroidery, that's cool. I put the word beloved because I just really like that word. I thought it was cute also. And then I made it like a 3-tone pink cream with like this dark pink stitching, and I thought it was really cool. Color block stuff is really in. I also trying to integrate some more color into my outfits and my shoes. I also just really wanted some platform shoes because I am short. Self-explanatory, but love these. Yeah, feel free to copy them and twin with me. I think that would be so fun. Next off, this is one of my favorite brands. I've shopped from them multiple times and included them in my hauls, and I was so excited because they reached out to me and sent me like a little care package, and oh my gosh, I didn't even know about like all of their accessories. Oh, by the way, the brand is Only Ghost, which is started by like Indie Blue. I grew up like watching her and following her, and now she has a baby. I say that every time. I always mention her baby just because he sent me this hoodie. I have the same one in pink, which I posted like a little outfit photo of on Instagram. I've been posting a lot more like outfit inspiration on there, so if you want to see more of that, go check that out. But this is her little like logo. It's this little ghost, and I think it's really cute looking. That alone is cute. But then the back, it says text me when you get home. I love this font, really good quality. I love their stuff. It's very simple, but it has this really nice like graphic design. They have really cool prints. I am obsessed with all of their tees also. I rarely shop stores, to be quite honest. Like I haven't been shopping very much. I just do like thrifting, but I do support like small businesses or like influencers who I do like a lot, and she's one of the ones who I always go back to because she's always coming up with new designs. Love to support her. She also sent over this beanie, which I have been too scared to buy a beanie. I don't know if I look stupid in it. I feel like I'm not gonna wear it. I love how they feel though, because my head and my ears are always cold. See, I can't tell if I like this or not. The quality of this is great. It just has the little ghost on the front. You can see it. Like embroidered, really great quality. She also sent over some scrunchies. These are like massive scrunchies. I really like the print, and they feel almost like a thick canvas material. I just got 3, and they have really fun prints. I'm obsessed with this one. I could wear this with my outfit right now because green, love it. And then she also sent over a Airpods case. I used to just have a yellow one, but I love this way more. It has a really cool design, and the back just says Only Ghost, and I love the color combo. It reminds me of cotton candy or something. This girl, I don't know if it's Romy or Rami, I'm so sorry, but she DM'd me, and she has her own startup brand, and she hand makes a bunch of stuff, but she has the coolest corset top. And so I got this one. It has like a Gucci print, but it's also like black. I don't think it's supposed to be reversible, but I've worn it both ways. Sweetest girl ever. She is so caring. She wants you to really love the piece, so she really helps you like customize it to your liking and to your fitting. It has like this corset tie in the back, and it just feels like the nicest quality. I have no clue how on earth, like I am getting into sewing, or have been trying to, but I have no clue how on earth she sewed this by herself. It's crazy. I've been wanting a corset top for the longest. I just don't know how to make one, don't know how to buy one, or the ones I've looked at have been so expensive. So I'm going to leave links and stuff to her shop. Totally recommend checking her out. She's the sweetest. Her shop is so cool. I'm gonna show you some stuff I thrifted. I also thrifted a bunch of books. I don't know if you guys want to see books that I thrifted. Did I show you? I'll show you really quickly, okay? Oh my god, guys. I I didn't realize how many books I thrifted because they're only like $1 or $2, and so like I always get like 2 or 3 every time I thrift, and I'm trying to stop buying so much clothes. Then I go to the book section and I look around the books for a solid like hour and a half every time, and it's just so much fun. First off, the City of Bones Mortal Instrument series, I read this. I don't think I finished it, but this is one of my favorite series, so I want to reread it. And luckily I found the first 2 books at a thrift store, different thrift trips, but I found both of them. It was like $1 each, and these books are so good, so I can't wait to reread these. I basically just skim through the book section and then have like the fattest notes of books that I want to read in the future, and so if I see any of the books that are on that notes list, I basically just pick it up. So I'm starting my own little book collection. I have The 5 People You Meet in Heaven. I'm not even gonna go into what these are about because I have too many. I got You Are a Badass, Love Does, this weird psychology book. I don't know, it seemed interesting to me. It's called Mindset, The Help, The Girl on the Train, Everything I Never Told You. One of my recent obsessions is like mini libraries, which I don't know if everywhere has them. I think that's because I've seen them in other states and stuff too, but it's like a little local, literally like neighborhood box where people like drop off books and then you can pick one up and like leave one whenever. So I think I got this one at a little mini library in Seattle. And then I got Grit, which I'm gonna start reading today. Those are all my books. I'm very excited about them. I've been posting a lot of stuff on Instagram about reading and book recs and asking you guys for them, and you guys seem to really be into that. So I am planning on actually doing some book related videos in the future. Oh my gosh. Real quick, where did it? Oh, here. Real quick, from Shadow Hill, a brand that I've loved for a really long time. They sent me a couple things. First off, this really nice tie-dyed shirt, and then it just says Shadow Hill on the front. And then they also sent me this zip-up hoodie, which I've been wearing a lot. I also really love Shadow Hill's like graphics. So it's purple and yellow. Look at the back. I think that looks super, super neat. I wish I could do graphic design and like design this stuff, but I have no clue how to. Shadow Hill, no responsibilities. I like that motto. I vibe with it. Quick intervention. Somehow I completely missed these pieces from Beginning Boutique, but I decided to try them on for you guys anyways, just to show you. My apologies, these clips are so grainy. I think I took them when it was literally like dark outside, but I just got a couple cute pieces. These are all very spring and summer. I don't really know what I was thinking, but nonetheless, I love all of these pieces that I received from them, and I cannot wait to style all of these. On to a couple things I thrifted. This is a plain brown shirt, but I embroidered it. Literally took forever, but it says treat people with kindness. I don't know why I chose like the longest quote ever. It literally took probably like a week of daily embroidering, but I like how it looks, so I can't wait to wear it. I do this thing where like if I'm gonna include something in a video, I put it in a pile so I can't wear it, so that'll motivate me to like film, but then I just forget I have these things. Oh, I got this white turtleneck that I'm wearing right now, which I love for layering. It also just helps to keep me warm. And then I got this turtleneck, which is like a tan one, but look how cute this is. It folds over and there's a little embroidery of a little pig. It just reminds me of Peppa. So you can like hide it. Honestly, I would probably hide it when I'm wearing it. I don't know, the pig's so cute. I just thought it was too quirky and adorable to not pick up. I have this sweater, which I probably shouldn't have bought. I just love the color so much, and I have an addiction to sweaters. I might turn it into a vest or something because the sleeves seem a little odd and I haven't tried it on yet, so I'll try it on for this video. The colors really got me. I'm such a sucker for sweaters. I probably should have got this because I feel like sweater season is kind of over. We're still in that like ugly, really cold period, but I don't know. I'll still wear it, okay? Oh, these were Christmas gifts, but I guess they're in this pile, so I'll show you again. I think this top was from Kate from PacSun. Really cute, blue, great quality. It's like a knit rib top, and then it has a lace trim. And then this is from my friend Maddie. She got me like the Lululemon tank top, which I love this already. It's just plain and black, and I know I'll wear it. Lululemon, can't go wrong with them. Great quality. A couple other things I picked up. I think I got these in LA when I was thrifting, so this is from a while ago. First off, I got this Girls Tour hoodie. I don't know, it's orange. I liked it. It's good quality. I probably shouldn't have bought this. I honestly really should not have bought this. I guess I'll wear it now. You know, the whole color thing. I actually really like orange. I got this. It's like a fleece, and I think it was a little boy's. I think I can fit this. And it just says Carolina. I really like the color of it. You know, everything about it. It has a really cool like white embroidered lining trim thing. Don't know what that's called. Looks very collegiate, athletic. On a very different note, I have the disco looking top. I just thought this was so fun. It kind of reminds me of the things we'd wear in like elementary school, like 5th grade. It has like this doily kind of paisley like print. And even the fit of it, it's like a really deep V, and then the sleeves look so long and almost a little bit bell shaped. So I am excited to style this. I think it would look really cute with some nice accessories and like a headband or something, or maybe even like a shoot. Then I have this V-neck plain gray sweater, but it does have a nice, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like a, what's it called, like grid something. I don't know how to explain it. You'll see it. I was just really interested in finding some nice V-neck sweaters that I could pair with like turtlenecks and stuff like that. So I picked this one up. It's really good quality. I got this pink Gap denim jacket because I actually wanted to dye my own denim jacket pink. I was gonna get like a white one, like thrift a white one and dye it, but then I found this pink one, so then it was too good to pass up. I also got this like zip up brown like sweater thing. I thought this would look cute with like either a turtleneck or like layered over some kind of like white. Love zip ups. This is really good quality as well. It's J. Crew actually. Wool. Actually. And then I got these shoes. I've been really wanting Oxford Doc Martens, but I can't justify paying that much for it because I feel like I'm supposed to pick up my friend, like be at his house in 4 minutes, and I'm just filming a haul. You know what? This is my fault. It's because I showed you guys my books. I got too excited. I've been wanting Oxford Doc Martens, but I can't pay like $200 for them because I feel like it's kind of, I don't know if it's just like a fad or a trend, but I feel like for me it might be because I just was in that phase where I was like, I really want them. So I got some from the thrift store, and I might do a little DIY with these. A couple accessories I thrifted. First off, in San Francisco, I got this little hat. I always talk about how I want an indie looking hat that makes me look like some cool indie filmmaker. I don't know if it makes me look like a cowboy, but yeah, I thought this was cute. Even if I don't wear it, I'll hang it on my wall or something. I'll start a hat collection, okay? I got a couple jewelry pieces because thrifting jewelry is also something that I've been trying to get more into. I always go straight to the clothes. Now I go straight to the book, but I always forget about jewelry, and it's always like by where you check out, so then I'm like exhausted by the time I get there and I'm like, jewelry, whatever. I got this necklace. I don't know how to show you. It has really cool like wired beads, which is something I've been very into. I feel like it's also pretty trendy. I also don't know how to clean this. Then I got this cool ring. Rings are something that I'm really into thrifting also, but look at that. It's kind of like a floral print, and it's a really thick band. I've been also really into thick banded rings. Oh, here, I can show you these other rings I'm wearing. I forgot. This green one I made, but these two little glass ones I actually got at Santa Barbara Pier. There was this really nice little jewel shop, and then they have these rings, and I thought they were so cool. I really want a ring like this, but like jade. I have no clue where to get that. Okay, last thing. This company, Serotonin Supply, reached out to me, and they give me similar vibes to Lonely Ghost. Kind of like that very simplistic, really good quality, kind of graphic, streetwear-ish vibe. I also just love what they stand for, and they donate a lot of their sales towards mental health. They give you this cool pamphlet thing. They also give you some stickers. I love stickers. I have a whole collection of them. I don't know where to put them, but I really appreciate the thought of getting stickers. First off, this serotonin face mask. Then I got this set, which is like a jumpsuit. So the quality of this stuff, it almost reminds me of American Apparel because the quality for starters is great, but then they have their own tags. I don't know why this impresses me. And then these tags, it just feels so pleasantly surprised. This is just a really plain gray sweatsuit. So these are the bottoms. It just says serotonin on the side, which I really like it when my sweats are pretty simple. And then they have like, I don't know what this means, but washing instructions. Looks kind of cool. It's on the butt. And then this is the top. Matching, says serotonin here. It's a nice little tag, and then it has the instruction in the back. Even the printing of this, it feels very good quality. And then I got this crew neck, which I was so excited about. They had me pick my items, and this one was sold out. No duh, because it's so cute. I probably style it similar to like my crew neck now. It just says Serotonin Supply. Oh wait, just kidding. No, it doesn't. I can't read. It says I need serotonin, which duh. Y'all need serotonin. I love the color combination. It's like a faded blue and a faded yellow. Quality of this, once again, amazing. It has the same that thing. I am just obsessed with this font. Like, I want this font on my thumbnails for my videos. So be sure to check them out. That is it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun talking to you. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.